Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW. So this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 243. So in today's episode, Jamie had a question. Jamie was on the live last night, saw me using one of the SuperTite glues for the project that we did last night for the wine bottles. And Jamie was asking, Matt, of the 3 glues on your website, what's the one kind of your favorite catch-all glue? And you can't really say there's a catch-all glue because all the glues are a little bit different, have a little bit, but if you're looking for a glue that I use by far the most, and if you're starting with something, it is this glue right here. This is the Fusion Tack, okay? The Fusion Tack is my favorite because it goes on white. It doesn't dry up, so it doesn't dry up bad at all. So I'm gonna get out even this is the one that I used in last night's live. I could use that again right now, and I didn't even cap it off. It kind of just forms a little edge there to where it just won't dry up. And I can use it 2, 3, 4, 5 days later and still use it fine. Where with the Multi-Grab 360, it will dry up over time. Honestly, the next day, it'll be done. A few hours later, it'll get too bad. It's a little bit more as far as substance, like texture-wise, a little bit more like the E6000, but without all the harmful chemicals. So, by far, my favorite, the Fusion Tack, you can use that. So, this helmet right here, I did with the Fusion Tack. This baseball that I'm working on, Fusion Tack. This pair of shoes, Fusion Tack. The wine bottle that we did last night, this is the one that I did before the live, Fusion Tack. And then the one that we actually did in the live last night, again, Fusion Tack. So, Jamie, you're looking for that catch-all, SuperTite, Flatback Rhinestone glue. Fusion Tack is your winner. All right, and I'll put a link to the Fusion Tack right below in the description of this video as well. So, hopefully that answered your question. Any of you guys that have any questions, make sure to comment below. Make sure to click that like button. Make sure to subscribe and click that little bell right next to it so you get all of these awesome videos as soon as I release them. I am heading to Texas early tomorrow morning for the MBM Urban Show, and I will hopefully see some of you guys there. All right, crew, later.